serve as the horn professor here at Kennesaw State University. I'll be performing the GMEA All-District and All-State Horn Etudes for you. I hope you enjoy. If you're a student preparing these Etudes for an upcoming audition, I'd also like to personally invite you to KSU's All-State Brass Bootcamp, which will be taking place here on campus Saturday, November 9th. We'll have sessions specifically geared toward each of the middle school, concert band, and symphonic band levels. You can check out the link in the video description for more details on that below. Treat the lyrical etude like a sweet song. Play it the same way you would sing it. Start preparing this etude slowly and subdivide the dotted 8/16ths in your head or out loud to be sure the rhythm is correct once it's brought up to tempo. Use good, steady air support to create these long, song-like phrases and move through the slurs with ease. One of the challenges of this etude is playing the larger slurred intervals, like in measures 1 and 3, correctly, so be sure to check your tuner and really center in on those pitches. Also, play the slurred staccato notes lightly, not shortly. The technical etude is more of a challenge, so my best piece of advice is to start as slowly as you can play it successfully. Once you get it up to tempo, try not to shorten the lengths of the staccato notes too much. Instead, prioritize good airflow and clear, crisp fronts of the articulated notes. This will create your staccatos for you without shortening the note and chopping up your air. For measures 21 through 23, try slurring the intervals in your practice to be sure you are locking into the correct pitches. Pay close attention to the dynamics notated to help with phrasing and getting into the jovial, fun character of this etude. I hope you found this video helpful in your audition preparation. Happy practicing and good luck. Don't forget to check out the links in the video description below where you can register for our All-State Brass Bootcamp and learn more about the Horn Studio at KSU. Thanks so much for watching, and go Owls!